Now, with the transcript plugin activated, you can start transcribing audio and video files in your project. So open a node from this project containing an audio file or a video file with an audio track. Hover over the file container, and once again, a three-dot menu appears in the upper right corner. Click on it and select Transcribe. A small pop-up dialog appears. Here you can select the number of people speaking on the recording by clicking on the respective number, and select the spoken language in the recording by clicking in the language drop-down menu. We will add some more languages in the future. The Start Transcription button now has a green color. When you click on this button, the transcript will begin processing. A processing container appears below your file in the node. When finished, which is roughly after the half-time of your duration of the recording, the transcript is inserted there. So please be patient. You should keep in mind that there is a quota limit of total minutes that can be transcribed per month, and that depends on your plan and your team size.